Hello, I'm Aleks Srbinoski, a Wollongong and Sydney clinical psychologist and life coach from Aleks in Psychology and author of Fulfilling Happiness. What I'm going to do now is define and outline some common depression facts and statistics and offer some basic treatment options. Previously I've discussed what depression is and shown you a free online test on how to measure depression, anxiety and stress. You can freely access that information at aleksinpsychology.com. Here are some basic statistics and facts, and please be aware that these statistics are pretty similar across the USA, UK and Australia. Starting with USA. Depressive disorders affect 18.8 million adults, or 9.5% of the population. Mental disorders account for 22.1% of Americans per year, which is about 1 in 5 adults. Depression creates more absenteeism than almost any other physical disorder and costs employers $51 billion in productivity alone. So you can see just how big this is. 30% of women are depressed apparently. Men are about half of that, though that's actually a bit of an incorrect estimate, and it's actually more than half. 41% of depressed women are too embarrassed to seek help. 41%, 54% believe that depression is a personal weakness, and 80% of depressed people are currently not having any treatment. 80%. That is massive and actually quite sad, as there are some very good treatment options. In Australia, 1 in 4 women and 1 in 6 men will suffer a depressive episode at some stage in their life. Depression affects about 800,000 Australians a year. That's a lot of Australians. There aren't that many of us down here. Depression is the 3rd most common cause of illness among women and the 10th most common cause among men. Depression really has been shown to be the leading cause of disability in Australia. The leading cause. And globally, depression is considered to be, by 2020, the 2nd largest health problem on the planet. So, please be aware. I really want to say this, that wherever you are in the world, there is always hope and there's always some great treatment options available. I suggest first that you may want to consider visiting your family doctor, but also having a course of sessions with a clinical psychologist such as myself is one of the most common and effective drug-free ways to treat and overcome depression. If you live in the Wollongong or Sydney area of Australia, you can contact Aleks in Psychology on 8205-3105 during business hours. And if you need more information, visit aleksinpsychology.com.